Hey sisters, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neiima. Thank you for tuning into yet another video of mine. Here on this channel, I bring you everything luxury from makeup to fragrance to lifestyle. If any of those things pique your interest, please consider subscribing down below. Back with a sit down tutorial. It's going to be on this kind of cool toned makeup look. If you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Jumping right into today's tutorial, I moisturized my face already using the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. I used this straight after the shower. That is all I put on my face. So now I'm going to go into priming my skin. I'm going to use two primers today. Blur Jam by Huda Beauty's sub brand. It looks like this. It is silicone and fragrance free. The product is inside of there, and you do want to keep this to prevent the products from drying out. So that is how it's stored. This right alongside my nose where I have a lot of pores. Product is also going to help mattify the skin as well. I'll be using the e.l.f. Power Gripping Primer. I warm up the product and take this around the perimeters. I'm going to be going in with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. It is a cult classic favorite of mine, and I have the shade 11. If you and me are shade twins, my shade in this foundation is actually shade 10, but I brought the wrong shade, but it still works for me. Today I'm going to be testing this new concealer. It's from Milk Makeup, and it is called their Future Fluid All Over Cream Concealer. The outer packaging, it says Future Fluid Cream Concealer on the back. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but this is the front of the component. See the product through. That's what the applicator looks like. It's not super big applicator, but it looks decent sized. It does have quite a bit of products on there, so I'm gonna scoop some of it back into the container. I'm gonna go right under my eyes. It is definitely gonna be a brightening shade for me. I'm not adding any additional products. I'm just spreading this product out. I don't know if you guys can tell, the applicator is pretty dry. So I'm just spreading what's here out. This shade is actually so beautiful for me. I think this is supposed to be a medium coverage concealer. So I'm just gonna go in with a thin layer, and I may go in with more. I'm gonna blend this one out just to see if it maintains its brightness. Take a Real Techniques setting brush. I'm just going to spray it with some of my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I see why on Sephora's website this product has such great reviews. This is a really nice product. The perfect shade for me. Love that it's giving me brightness. It's also giving me like a little goldenness. It's not too olive. Coverage is perfect for what I look for in my medium coverage kind of products. Concealer, I definitely need a like skin tone shade because this is so beautiful. And I don't have to work super fast with it, which I appreciate. As you can see, I let this side sit and I was still able to go in and blend it out very easily. But it is very blendable, and it does give you, as you can see, that beautiful radiance and glow without it being too much, especially since I have oily skin. I'm gonna do my typical concealer routine, which is using a brightening concealer, which is going to be the Milk concealer, and then I'm going to go in with the one that's my skin tone just to give me a little bit more coverage. And for that, I'm going to be using the NK Makeup Perfection Multi-Use Concealer. And this product is actually available online, but it's also available, or it should be, in your local beauty supply store. I'm so glad that I tried this one too, because it's so good and it's so cheap. I think this was like $4, I think. The e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. It is the shade Sunkissed. Use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I have the shade Cashew. Take some powder bronzer to set my cream bronzer areas, and I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Bronze Duo. This is the dark duo. This is what it looks like. As you can see, you get two different shades. This one on the bottom of the duos tend to be darker, and then the top one is a little bit lighter. It's so buttery. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I tend to use the top shade in the winter and then the bottom shade in the summer. I forgot I wanted to use this Rare Beauty liquid blush. It's in the shade Hope, and like I said, it is a liquid formula. I have put this formula over powder before and it's worked out fine. It hasn't lifted my foundation, but I try not to do it, but I really want to use this blush. It's been sold out forever. I wasn't tripping. And like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like when you move it, it's like, y'all know. I'm gonna start with this shade here. And I'm just gonna go in, tap a lot of that off. Beautiful shade right here in the middle. Going with two setting sprays. The first one is going to be the One Size On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. I just love the pink and red packaging. It's so cute. And I like to go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. KVD Vegan Beauty, and it is their Everlasting Blush in the shade Rosebud. It's kind of like a mauve shade, and I feel like it would complement the Rare Beauty blush so well. Alrighty sisters, I am back and this wraps up this tutorial. This is the finished look. I went off camera, did my lashes and my lip combo. If you guys have any questions about this look, or if there's any other looks you guys want to see me do, any products you want to see me review, leave it down in the comments. I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye sisters.